Today, the world is changing faster than ever, yet at the same time, more uncertain. Power outages, security risks, data vulnerabilities. The foundations of modern living are being redefined. We are entering a new era. People are looking for stable energy, safer homes, and a smarter way to live.
As we recognize that energy security and sustainability are no longer optional, but definitely essential.
And in the Philippines, that transformation has already begun.
The opportunity is real. The policy environment is evolving. The market is growing, and the time to participate is now.
Driven by opportunity, powered by innovation, a new smart and safe energy ecosystem is born.
We do not only focus on energy, we focus on safety as a whole. With our AI and smart technologies, we connect security, energy, and smart home experience together. This creates a complete smart safety system for the whole home.
But creating a smart and safe home is not about adding more devices. It's about rethinking how homes are powered, protected, and connected.
Energy storage should no longer be viewed as a standalone product. It is becoming the foundation of a smart and safe home. Smart living is built on two foundations, comfort and safety. And safety always comes first.
From energy safety to home security to data protection, every layer works together, powered by AI, connected as one. But innovation should never mean complexity. Less is more. Less waiting, less trouble, less cost. More solutions, more intelligence.
My electricity bill from 9,000 to 1,000 only, so I'm so very happy to install the 6 kilowatts inverter. For me, Hopetrek actually reduces electricity cost from day one. It delivers long-term savings through efficient and minimal costs. And Hopetrek is provide a suitable low maintenance and power solution.
It actually solves all power issues, keep power stable, avoids blackouts, and it is safer and bring me less worry. It means less power trouble and more easy, comfortable life.
Hopetrek is very smart, like this app, no? So we can go to the Hopetrek link. So every time you need to choose, just click one touch. For me, less is cost and more is knowledge.
A great solution is only the beginning. To create lasting value, technology must be supported by service, local commitment, and trusted partnerships.
We build a full lifecycle service system covering 4 stages: pre-sales support, project delivery, after-sales service, and long-term value creation.
Backed by localized warehousing, technical support, training resources, and growing service capabilities. Hopetrek is building a stronger foundation for long-term growth in the Philippines.
Installer is at the center of this business model. That is a key message. Hopetrek is going to enrich you, empower you, ensure you in this solar business. Work together to do good things for Philippine people.
Because the future of energy is not built by one company alone. It is built through partnership, through trust, and through a shared vision. Creating new opportunities, delivering greater value, and bringing safer, smarter, and more energy-independent living to more Filipino families and businesses. In an increasingly uncertain world, the future belongs to those who make life simpler, safer, smarter.
Hopetrek-Less is more.
Hopetrek-Less is more.
Less is more! Hopetrek-Less is more!